Hey guys, it's Yasi Drawz and I'm back with another video today. As y'all can see already, I got my iPad out and I've been looking at pictures of Ice Spice and Nicki because I wanted to draw them in my sketchbook with the Barbie World music video they just released and song. And that's pretty much the vibe I'm going for. And I was just looking at pictures of them for inspo because they didn't have like a perfect picture together that I wanted to draw. So I want to like mix and match and kind of create my own image. And I'm just going through my sketchbook to find a page that I would like to start on. And I ended up choosing a completely blank page because I just wanted to start anew. Y'all are just going to see me pull out my binder clips and clip the page to the side so that the page doesn't keep closing and moving on me while I draw on the other page. And you already know I like to use my mechanical pencils when I do my sketches. And I'm just going to time lapse my sketch right here and do a quick little sketch and add some music.
Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, then you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality.
So this is going to be my final reveal of my sketch that I did of Nicki Minaj and Ice Spice. Come back for my next video that's going to be right after this, where I show y'all how I color it and the colors that I chose. I hope y'all really like this. I went for them being in that little pink Cadillac together, and I think it came out really, really nice. And y'all already colored it, it's like, because these videos are pre-edited, and it is so fly. So make sure you subscribe for that. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.